Good morning on the day of my birth. Happy birthday to me. I'm very grateful that you're joining me here today. And what I'm going to do is I am doing a challenge for myself. And if you'd like to join me, that would be pretty cool as well. So I see everybody doing these 21 push-ups a day. 21 push-ups a day challenge. I see it all over the place. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little twist on it. I'm going to do 21 different styles of push-ups 21 times. So I'm doing 21 different push-ups, 21 sets of each, 21 times. So what is that? That's 441 push-ups. 52 years old, I'm feeling awesome. You think I can do 441 push-ups? Well, that's going to be my challenge. And if you see any push-ups that you enjoy or that you would like to try, feel free to join in with me. I'm going to whip through these pretty quick and see how many different styles I can do and how many I can do of them. Now remember, technique is everything. Better to go slow and go gentle. Make sure that your strategy is correct and you don't want to hurt yourself. Also, what I'd love to have you do is join me in on a live call. I want to spend some time with you, and this will give you also an opportunity to ask me some health questions or questions about your well-being, your success, and something maybe that I can help you with. As you know, for over 33 years, I've dedicated my life to helping others. That's what I love to do, even on my birthday. So sign up with me. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can join me, and also I'm going to give you a few free booklets. So I have a how to be healthy through the holiday season. I've got exercises that don't feel like exercises so that you can feel healthy and strong throughout the holiday season. And they're exercises that you can do anywhere, anytime. So it's not like you have to book off a bunch of time and go hang out in the gym or anything. It's something that you can do anytime, anywhere. And a couple of other of my little booklets that you'll be getting for free. So watch through this video with me. Help me to do my 441 push-ups. And join in if you like. And then join me live. Sign up to join me live after this. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Okay, so let's just start off with regular, normal push-ups. Remember, keep your elbows close to your body, your fingers facing forward, and full range of motion. Don't stick your butt up in the air or push your pelvis to the floor. Next ones are high Spider-Mans. Again, elbows close to the body, and bring your knee in to touch your elbow, alternating knees. Remember, technique is everything, and don't forget to breathe. Breathe as you're pushing up. Breathe out as you're going down. This is a twist on the Spider-Man. These are the low Spider-Mans. So this is as you're down to the floor now. Now you bring the alternating knees up. All right? One at a time. Left, then right. Remember to breathe. Slow in, slow out. The better you control your breath, the more energy that you'll have. This is a great one, shoulder hamstring stretch. Push the shoulders right back. Your bum is going up in the air as far as you can. You'll feel a stretch all down through your hamstrings, through the back of the legs, through your lower back, neck and shoulders. If you've got a lot of hours that you spend on the computer, that's a great one for you. Frogs. These are always fun. Just normal push-up and jump the feet in and jump the feet back. Just like a little frog would do. Remember, breathe. If you need to take a break, it's okay. You can lose your breath quite easily doing these. And I'm going to do a superset with these as well. So after I've done my 21 frogs, I'm going to take a break, catch my breath, and then carry on going. So I do 21 frogs and then 21 normal push-ups with a breather break in the middle. These are called floor walkers. You're going to feel these really engaging your core. Remember, technique is everything. Remember to breathe. Slow breath in, slow breath out. Alternating hands. This is a great one for neck and stretch. Again, if you do a lot of computer work, As you come down, turn your head to the side and twist your body just a little bit. And you'll feel that stretch in your neck and shoulder. Great for the chest, great for loosening up. This is a long pike. Be careful when you do this one. You're putting your feet up on a chair and you're just lowering your body down. Remember to stick your bum way in the air, keep your legs straight, and forehead to the floor. Remember to breathe, nice and slow. This is really great to help build the rotator cuffs, stretch out those shoulders. If you've got any neck and shoulder problems, this is a good one for that as well. Alternating T push-up. This is great. You're going to feel this all through the hips, through the waist. It helps to really engage the core muscles. Remember to breathe, nice and slow. Yes, I've sped this up. I'm not going that fast, but didn't want to spend an hour with you watching me do push-ups. So nice and slow, but you're going to feel that really good twist through the whole body. And remember in life, take time to enjoy nature. Take a break, slow down, make some new friends, have some fun, enjoy your day, breathe, and remember to smell the flowers. Enjoy life. Life is all about having fun. If you're not having fun with life and being grateful for the environment and the nature around you, you're missing out on a lot. And remember never to give up. You only fail when you stop. So just keep going. If you feel like you're failing, just stop for a moment, take a breath, regroup, and get back into it. These ones are called grasshoppers. Again, really good for the waist, really good for the hips, really engages the core muscles, and you'll also really feel this in the chest as well. But this is very good if you've got lower back pain and hip pain. So just kick that leg right out. Make sure you get your leg as straight as you can. Push out with the heel. Focus on your heel when you go out. And the burpees. You know I love doing burpees. I do about 250 of these every day. It's just kind of part of my routine. I don't do them all at one time. I can do sets of 20, sets of 10, sets of 5, whatever. You know, just as long as I get through 250 within the time that I'm awake, from the time I wake up to the time I go back to bed. Burpees are awesome full body exercises. And then of course superset afterwards if you want. So do 21 burpees and then just 21 normal push-ups. This is a little bit different pike. It's very similar to the one where I was standing on the chair. Again, keeping the feet, the heels down, the bum way up, and you're pushing the top of your head to the floor. Nice and slow, nice and gentle. Feel that full range of motion, and it's a great stretch for the upper back, the neck, and the shoulders. Shoulder touch. Nice and slow. Make sure you've got your balance. Do a normal push-up. Keep your core engaged at all times. Really suck that belly button in. Feel your stomach nice and tight. These are diamonds. These are great for building up the triceps and the arms. You're going to feel these through the shoulders and the chest as well. Now you want your thumbs touching all the time, your hands flat on the floor, and try to get your chest to touch your hands. This is a normal elbow to the body push-up. Your hands are a little bit closer, they're not so wide apart, and as you come down, you're going to feel your elbows against the side of your body. This is a chest stretch. This is awesome. This is one of my favorite ones. Really reach as far as you can to either side as you go down. You're going to feel a stretch through your chest, which is awesome to help to keep your balance in the upper body, to find that balance from the front to the back of the body. These are 21s. So I do 7 of the diamonds, then you go a little bit wider, 7 normal, and then 7 wide. It's just a little twist on 21s. Elbow plank. This is not really a full push-up, but it's great for the core and it's great for stability. It will help you to build the fast twitch muscles, stabilize your muscles. You'll really feel the core engage. This is great for building the stomach and lower back muscles. And then again, as I enjoy, you finish, because I didn't really feel that was a proper push-up, I wanted to do a superset in this one as well. Join me if you like. If not, no problem. Diver bombs, another one of my favorite type of push-up. As you see, I'm kind of start in a pike kind of a position. You come down and push up. Be careful not to overstretch that back, but really push your chin up. Focus on your chin, to push your chin up towards the ceiling in these, and push your pelvis to the floor. You're going to feel a good stretch through all your lower back. You're going to feel it through your tummy, through the neck and shoulders. Now take your time with these, enjoy them. They're an awesome full body exercise that you're going to feel right down to the tip of your toes. So take your time, full range of motion, really feel that stretch. And remember, full, deep, long breaths. Breathing is vital with all of these. Preacher curls. These are good for the arms, for the shoulders, for the upper chest. And you're going to feel it in the legs as well. Great thing about push-ups, you can do them anywhere. You don't need any equipment. You can do them anytime. If you're an office worker or you're traveling, I often do a lot of push-ups while I'm on an airplane, believe it or not. I go hang out with the stewardess in the back and do push-ups and twists and different things. The more you keep your muscles active, the less tight and tired they feel. These are sprints. So I'm bringing the knee up and touching the elbow. Again, nice slow down, and as you come up, push that knee up as far as you can to your elbow, and you really engage your stomach. Really suck your stomach in, tighten it up, and feel those core muscles get used. So that's it. We did it. 441 push-ups. How did you do? So it's not a matter of how many you did. It's more the technique and that you're getting your body active and you're enjoying feeling your body get more energized. I'm out of breath. Learn to love your body. Learn to cherish it. And that's what my little program is all about. I'd love for you to join me. Spend an hour or so with me live. Just click the link below and you can come and join me. I'm going to be there to give you a little bit of information and some strategies and techniques on how to really enjoy your holiday season, how to blow out 2019 in a very powerful way and welcome 2020 in and make it the best year of your life. I'm also going to give you a few free booklets to help you get through the Christmas season, where you can enjoy all the great foods that you like and to have some superfoods that are going to help to counteract any of the negative stuff that you may do physically for your body during this time. And a couple other books like Exercises That Don't Feel Like Exercises, so you can keep fit and healthy and feeling great, keep your body feeling great, even when you haven't got the time or the space or the equipment to do it. Click on the link, join me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.